2025 Market Outlook: Why 457B holders are moving to Gold IRAs. The financial environment heading into 2025 is defined by persistent uncertainty. Inflation remains elevated, markets shift rapidly, and global tensions continue to influence investment behavior. These pressures are pushing many 457B plan participants to consider safer, more stable retirement options. One notable trend is the rising interest in 457B to Gold IRA rollover strategies as investors search for long-term security. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. 6 reasons why 457B holders are moving to Gold IRAs. 1. Growing concern over market volatility. Stock markets have become increasingly unpredictable. Sudden swings can negatively impact traditional retirement accounts. Gold, however, often holds its value during market turbulence, making it an appealing choice for those seeking stability. 2. Protection against inflation. Inflation continues to erode purchasing power. While paper assets may struggle in inflationary periods, gold has historically acted as a strong hedge. This makes a Gold IRA a practical way to safeguard retirement savings. 3. Desire for tangible, hard assets. A 457B plan typically includes paper-based investments. By rolling over into a Gold IRA, savers gain access to physical gold, an asset with intrinsic value that is not easily influenced by economic shifts. 4. Better portfolio diversification. Gold behaves differently from stocks and bonds. Adding it to a retirement plan can reduce overall risk. This diversification helps balance growth-oriented assets with more protected holdings. 5. Tax-advantaged rollover opportunities. A properly executed rollover allows 457B holders to move funds into a Gold IRA without incurring immediate taxes or penalties. This preserves capital and provides flexibility for future planning. 6. Increased focus on long-term wealth security. Many investors want retirement strategies that endure beyond short-term market cycles. Gold's long-standing reputation for maintaining value across generations makes it a strong choice for long-term protection. As 2025 approaches, more 457B holders are turning to Gold IRAs to reinforce their retirement strategies. Market volatility, inflation concerns, and a growing desire for hard asset security are driving this shift. Through a 457B to Gold IRA rollover, investors can strengthen diversification and protect their savings from unpredictable economic conditions. For those seeking a more secure financial future, gold offers a stable foundation in an uncertain world. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.